Hey friends, this is Atif here and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my so many previous videos for the past several months, I have been showing you this very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern. And I've been telling you that once PEPE will be able to break out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then technical target will be here. That will be at this long-term resistance of 439 that had been previously working as a resistance here back in the month of May 2023. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And so far, from this low to here, PEPE has rallied more than 1706%. And now recently, PEPE has formed another down channel that is more visible on the daily time frame chart. And now you can see that we have broken out this channel almost 3 or 4 days ago. And now the price is about to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. At the same time, PEPE also had another uptrend line support that I was showing you in my previous video, and the price, and I was testing this support. You can see that previously this uptrend line resistance we had here, that was working as a resistance here, and here, and now it worked as a support. You can see after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support, and after gearing up from this support, now the price line has broken out the channel here on the daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you a trade signal for PEPE that I shared with my members, by the way, in the month of Feb 2024. And so far, this move has produced almost 1150%, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that PEPE formed on the daily time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied very powerful rally. This was, by the way, you can see that it was almost 1150% rally so far. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description. You can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of PEPE, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously I've been showing you this very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern, and you can see that after the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, when we broke out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that was a quite long-term resistance, by the way. This neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, you can see we got rejections here in the month of May 2023, then we got rejections here in the month of December 2023, and finally after the breakout by this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the price line pumped very well, and so far it has rallied almost up to 1084, and now we have found a resistance here at 1084 and formed this down channel. This uptrend line support resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and here is now flipped into a support. And after the breakout, when it was dropped down at the support, in those days I told you that now this support, this previous resistance can work as a support. At the same time, we have a bullish path pattern that is a down channel. And this the previous highest price of the month of May 2023 is can also work as a very strong support. And you can see that this resistance worked as a nice support. This uptrend line support worked as a very firm support for PEPE, and the price then geared up. And now recently we have broken out this down channel, but this time it is about to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support somewhere here, approximately at 645. And if I place another trend line here, then you can see that here we also have another support level that will be approximately at 6. Here we have, by the way, this support approximately at 639 or 640, and it can also test this support as well. That was previously working as a support here, and now again it can work as a support with the support of the channel. That is in fact the resistance of the channel that can now work as a support this time. Now if we take a look at the technical target for this breakout from this down channel, then after the breakout the target can be here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 1093, and in that situation the pricing can also make a powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance of 10. By the way, we have this resistance because we have maximum touch points here at 0.00 and 00 $10. And once the price and will be able to break out this level, then we can expect that this previous resistance will be flipped into a nice support, and it can work as a very long-term support for the price, and then this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.